Hi guys, today I am going to tell you about quite impressive downloading tool. It's called yt-dlp. It can download YouTube videos, YouTube playlist with few seconds. First of all, you have to download this and install. Now I'll guide you how to download this. Now I am searching this in my web browser yt-dlp. You will find GitHub link for this application. In here it shows several information. I'll go through with Windows operating system. You can also use this in Linux, Mac OS, those kind of versions of operating system. So I am clicking Windows 64. Now you can see here a small software yt-dlp downloaded. Shall we go to the folder? Now open terminal from here. I'm clicking the shift key on my keyboard, then right click. You can see here, wait a second, first of all click, yeah, here you can see opening terminal. Then you can see the folder downloads. Now we are in that location. Now we are going to install this yt-dlp using command line. You have to type winget and the exe name. I think there is another exe in same name in this directory. Give me a second. Shall we go through this documentation?